So in this short tutorial, we will check how to debug Go web application, Go web application. First, I will show how it works. So I have, and using Visual Studio Code in this case. So what I have running application. We can see debug console here. It's running on this port. And we also have like small control panel here. It gets activated when you have when you're in debug mode. And if I call this application, I have breakpoints, so I will get to this breakpoints. I can see these variables here. For example, let's jump to another breakpoint. So I can use this one here, or F5, as you can see. I can also go step by step. And whenever I have a new variable, first of all, I can see call stack, meaning that I can see where I am, what was the order of the calls, basically. And also I can see at this point what variables I have, what local variables I have. I even can add the watcher to see specific variable. Or if I continue running, it will be out of the application. So if I go back, I can see result. So we can play with this a bit. Let's say ist send. This is a web application. I use Bigo in this case, and I see that's the result. And how you do this? So in this case, I have a very simple application with two files. And they are dependent on each other. So I have entry point here, and then this entry point imports another file, imports in a way that they are same package, but they are dependent on each other. So in this one, I have some other controller, some other structs, let's say, which I use in main Go. So meaning that if I try to run, let me show, if I try to run main.go directly, it will raise a problem. Let's stop debugger so we can use the same port. So now if I do go run and main.go, so it will say that you need to have another file. Like this basically means that I need to run package itself. So like this. In this case, I say like run this current package. Now it should work. So if I go back, it's not debug mode anymore, but still. So this is how you run, but how you run it, so this is terminal, it's a normal way, or let's say traditional way, how you can run application. But you can also use Visual Studio Code for this purpose. So if you go here, you will have some menus. As you can see, I have two configuration already. I can switch between them. But I can also add one more. For example, if I click this button, I will have one more configuration. So this is my two configurations. And what I do here, in first one, I say that I will run specific file. So if I am under this file, so let's say if I want to run this file, I need to select launch file and click this icon here. Or I can say that I'm running a package itself. In this case, it will run workspace. So all this configuration I keep by default. Let's say if I want to add another one, I need to select Go, and here I have these options. You can also set up test run for function or package, but for now, if you want to run application, this is how you do it. Run a file or run a package. Run a file can be very useful if you have only one file and just want to execute, so it is also useful. But in most cases, you will run whole application. And this is how you do it.